Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Pharmacypedia. This is Dr. Shikha Chauhan, and in this session I am going to talk further about the patent agent examination. I am going to discuss in detail about the syllabus and the examination pattern which is being followed for this examination. In my previous session I discussed about the patent agent, the eligibility, the criteria and the roles and responsibilities of patent agent. So those who have still missed that session, I will be sharing that link in the discussion box. You can refer that. In this session, specifically on the request of many students, I will be sharing about the syllabus and the examination pattern which is being done for conduction of the patent agent examination. So my dear students, those who are planning to pursue their career as a patent agent, they should look it up seriously and they can utilize this COVID time period in the preparation of the patent agent examination. So those who have still not subscribed to my channel Pharmacypedia, please do like, share and subscribe to Pharmacypedia for getting further updates and important content related to pharmacy. So let us begin the session. Talking about the syllabus, basically in the patent agent examination, one thing which is the Bible is the Indian Patent Act 1970 and the rules 1972. So this act is available on the website of ipindia.gov.in. I will be sharing that link in the discussion box also. So you need to have the complete analysis of the Patent Act. You need to study all the study modules, the Patent Act 1972 rules, patent sections and their corresponding rules with their applications. You need to also understand the patent drafting techniques with various case studies, and at the same time you have to also prepare for the previous year solved question papers. So the Bible is the Indian Patent Act 1970 and the rules 1972. So let us move to the pattern of the examination. So for the patent agent examination, basically there are three evaluation criteria. The first is the paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3, which comprises of the viva voce. So in paper 1, it is a completely MCQ based, objective type based, and maybe more than one options are correct. So like paper 1 consists of all the MCQ based on the Indian Patent Act 1970 and the rules 1972. Paper 2 evaluates your drafting and the interpretation of the patent specification and other documents. So in this paper, generally this is a theoretical paper whereby various questions are targeted to analyze how you can draft the patent. So there is a particular way by which you have to draft the patent, draft the specifications. So there are this you have to study separately. And third criteria is the viva. So viva voce examination is only conducted if the candidate is able to score more than 50% in both the papers. So only those candidates who have scored a minimum of 50% marks in each of the paper 1 and paper 2 are only allowed to appear for the viva examination. Talking about the selection criteria, so for both paper 1 and paper 2, paper 1 is completely MCQ based on the Indian Patent Act 1970 and the rules 1972, and paper 2 about the patent drafting and specification drafting. So like you have to score minimum of 50%. If you're not able to score 50%, then you will not be called up for the third round, which comprises of the viva. So once you clear the viva, then you can register yourself as a patent agent. So for looking about the previous year question papers, you can visit this website ipindia.gov.in and you go to the patent agent examination section, whereby you will be finding the samples of the various question papers for paper 1 and paper 2. So you can see and have a look over that and then you can analyze. So this is like the general notification which appears for the patent agent examination. So on the website they mention it like patent agent examination 2020. Because of the COVID, this examination was not being conducted, and like otherwise normally the schedule is every year patent agent examination is being conducted. So the month is not fixed. Sometimes in the June or sometimes in the September, October, they conduct the patent agent examination once a year. But because of like this COVID era, the examination could not be conducted in 2020. So you get a notification like that, and so whereby you can just register for online for the examination. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope the students who were looking around for the examination pattern and the syllabus are now clear about it. In case of any doubt or query, you can revert in the chat box. Thank you so much, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe for Pharmacypedia. Stay happy and stay tuned. Thank you, everyone.